guys, so today's video I'm going to be doing a try on clothing haul for you guys from DOLLSKILL, MISSGUIDED, and Nasty Gal. So let's just get into the video. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up, and let's just get into the video. By the way, sorry if I keep looking over there. It's just because I have like a little mirror over there to make sure my camera's recording and filming everything and the lighting's right, which it looks weird right now, but I think it's fine. So I'm just gonna get started. I have jewelry to show you guys first. So the first thing is just these safety pin earrings, and these are very cool. They are different a little bit. One of them, I will show you guys a close-up. One of them just have a little hoop with the safety pin attached. The other one is like a stud backing with this little chain added to it. So it's just a cute little detail for your earrings. I really like these. I've seen these a lot and they seem really good quality. I really like them. Another item I have are these tiny little butterfly earrings. These are so cute, but they are so small. I wish they were just a little bit bigger. These are cute. I didn't realize how small they were on the website, but here they are. And then the last thing I believe I got from there were these hair clips. These neon matte hair clips. There's pink, green, and this yellowy green kind of color. They're very pretty. They are gorgeous to look at. That's weird, but they're so pretty. They're matte and very vibrant, and I love them. They came in a set of 3, and I think they were like $3. Super cute. And then now I'm gonna show you guys misguided jewelry. I only have 2 items, 2 misguided jewelry items. The first one were £6, but they were on sale, and this is just the UK price. This is a MISSGUIDED is a UK brand, by the way. They're just these simple little silver hoops, and they have little diamond rhinestones on the side, only on like one side of it, like the front part, which is fine. And then another earrings I love. These are a bit more fancy to me, in my opinion. They are so cute. They're these little heart pearl earrings. I have some similar to Shein as far as it being hearts and pearls, but you guys will see that if you watched my last haul. But these are so cute. These are so pretty. I love these so much. I'm gonna wear these all the time, I already know. Here are these pearl earrings right here. I love them. I've seen earrings like this before, and I always wanted them, so when I see them on here, I'm like, I have to get them. Here are the earrings. I have not worn these yet, because every outfit I put on I feel like doesn't match, so maybe I should just like make an outfit based on the earrings, you know. But these are really, really cute. So these are a pair of my favorite earrings. I love this whole style of earrings where the hoop and there's like a charm at the bottom. I think that's so cool and really cute, and these go with pretty much everything. I really, really like these. I wear these a lot. So those are those, and then we have some more fruit kind of earrings. These are peaches actually. They were peach hoops. They have little peaches. They're gold. Very, very cute. I really like these as well. Great quality. Yeah, really love those. And then here we have some really unique earrings here. These are crayon earrings, crayon box earrings. So it's literally just a Crayola box and they're earrings, and it's really cool. I really like these. I don't wear these that often since I feel like they don't go with that much. Yeah, these are what these look like. So cute. And then the last earrings are these gummy bear earrings right here. They're just pink gummy bears, okay? They're very cute. They had other colors as well, so you guys can get those. Super cute. Okay, so that was it for the jewelry. Now I have some shoes to show you guys. So let's just get started. 3 pairs of shoes to show you guys. So the first pair are very different from me, but I love them. They are, I would say they're a replica of Doc Martens. They're from DOLLSKILL. They're very cute. They're just, they are I would say a replica of the Cray-on platform Doc Marten boots. They look very identical to me. They just a couple times. They're so cute. They have zipper on the side, so it's easy for you to get your feet in. Here they both are. They're very nice boots. Ooh. And I really like these a lot. I recommend you guys get these if you want a little bit of a cheaper alternative to the Doc Marten Jaden boots. Here's an option for you guys from DOLLSKILL. Another shoe are just Converse. They're just plain black Converse, but I saw a outfit on Pinterest, which I get a lot of outfit ideas from. This girl wearing these Converse with a certain outfit, and I really liked it, and I'm like, these will go great. And size 9, they're just regular all-star Chuck Converse. Yeah, very basic, but I didn't have any, and I wanted to get some. And then the last shoes that aren't so basic are from Nasty Gal. This is my only item I have from Nasty Gal, and I love these so much. I love this style of shoe, the platform shoe. I'm obsessed. I think it's so cute. Okay, I think it's so cute. These are very lightweight. I thought they would be heavy. Like, the boots are heavy. These are very lightweight, which is good. You know, they're just a sandal, so they don't need to be all heavy and stuff. But yeah. Oh, size 7. It says size 7 on the bottom, but I can fit them. And like I said, it says size 9. This might be a UK brand, maybe. I don't know. It might be another international brand. Maybe that's why it says that. I have not worn these yet, but I just got them recently. Like, I don't even think it's been a week that I have them. So yeah, they're just very, you know, lace up. You guys will see in the try on. I will try on all the shoes for you guys. And I love them. They're so cute. And 2 bottoms from DOLLSKILL. The first one is this top. It says Reckless. All the items, by the way, are in a size large. So yes, it's just this simple graphic t-shirt. I love graphic t-shirts. That's literally my wardrobe, or what I want it to be. Graphic t-shirts. They match with everything. They're so cute. And I feel like every outfit that I like has a graphic t-shirt. So it is Reckless. It's oversized. It has a longer sleeve. I believe that's close to like the elbow or something. Yes, very cute. I love this. This one right here, it's like a race car looking thing. Very cute. All of these shirts have an oversized fit to them. So yes, it's just a cotton material. Love this. Plain black on the back. And then another very cool item here. This Care Bear shirt. I used to watch Care Bears a lot when I was younger, and it's Grumpy on the shirt, and it says over it with this rainbow. It's just plain white. Cute. I've worn this before, so I've worn all these stuff at this point, but yeah, super cute. So now I have 2 skirts to show you guys. I've been really getting into skirts recently. Shockingly, I've never liked skirts or dresses before, but I've been getting into them. So here's the skirt. This is like an A-line skirt, I believe. It's just this purple cheetah print. Purple, my favorite color. It's like purple, brown, and black cheetah print, and it's a very nice length. It's high-waisted and it's not too short or anything. It has a invisible zipper on the side as well, so it's easy for you to get in. I really like this. I haven't worn this yet, but I will soon. And then this item here is a size large as well. It's this plaid skirt. It's a different material from what I expected. I was expecting a like sturdy denim material, I think, but it's not. I don't know what material this is, but it's like not, it's like flowy kind of. I don't know how to describe it, but it's still nice. It has, and it comes with this chain detail on the side of the skirt as well, which is really cool. I have not worn this. Only thing about the skirt is I feel like it's quite short. So that's the only thing about the skirt. I don't know if it's supposed to be like high-waisted or not, but or maybe like mid-rise, I don't know, but I feel like okay, and the last few items I have to show you guys are from MISSGUIDED. This is my first time, or this was my first time ordering from MISSGUIDED, and I love everything. I'm definitely gonna be ordering from them again. I love everything. They have, like I said, I have an obsession with graphic t-shirts. They have so many. I feel like most shops have a good selection of graphic t-shirts, but they have so many on there, and they're all like $20. Most of them are $20. The special collection ones are like $30, you know, maybe a little bit more, but for the most part they're $20, which is a really good price in my opinion, for some nice quality graphic t-shirts. And I love all of them. I swear I have like 50 graphic t-shirts in my wish list right now. Like, oh my god, I'm obsessed. I'm definitely gonna be ordering a bunch of graphic t-shirts from them. But anyway, I'm gonna show you guys what I got. It's this really nice gray t-shirt, and it says Back to the Future. It's a Back to the Future collection, I guess. Size large. This is so cute. The material is very nice. Just a nice cotton material. Really good. Yeah, just really like this. I love it. It's so cute. I'm gonna be wearing that a lot. And then another item is this lilac graphic t-shirt yet again. This is super oversized. Like the other items are like what you in regular spec from Oversized stuff. This is like super oversized. It says a UK, it's my size, it says UK 12, US 8, which is the large. But yeah, that's just the fit of a shirt. I don't love how big it is, but that is the fit of it, you know. I look back on the website and that is how it looks on the girl. But I should pay attention. I probably would have gone down a size if I was paying attention, but I'll still wear it. But anyway, it's this lilac super oversized shirt with longer arm sleeves, and it just says Arizona Midwest 1989 embroidered into the shirt. And this is just really nice, super oversized. I think it's long enough to be like a t-shirt dress, I don't remember, but this is my last item I have to show you guys. It's not a graphic t-shirt. It is one of those peasant tops, I think is what they're called. I love these so much. I've always wanted one. I've been looking everywhere for like the perfect one. I'm definitely gonna get more. This is a bodysuit in particular, and it's a thong bodysuit. It has 3 snaps to undo. It's very stretchy, and it's a size large as well. This is what it looks like in the front. It's purple, my favorite color, and I love the sleeves. On the model they are off the shoulder, so I assume they're supposed to be that way, or definitely gonna be wearing this a lot. So yeah, that's my last item that I have to show you guys for today. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if this happened before. let me know if you guys want more hauls and stuff like that, and like more fashion videos, because I've really been getting back into fashion recently. As you can tell, I've been buying some new things for my closet. So yeah, that's just it for today's video. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.